so excited today to accept the donation from Lowe's of Weslaco. It truly has been a great journey with a partnership from Lowe's and to create this outdoor classroom.
This is a great opportunity for our students because they put together the blueprint, they have the inspiration, and then they get to see it. And they also get to see us adults working together to see their vision come true.
We know that it's important for them to be able to be out and socialize with each other in a safe environment. So it was great just to be able to give back and to help bring back a little bit of normalcy to the students.
I hope to maybe make more friends, make more, just be out there a lot, and especially homework. I like to do my homework outside, so maybe I can come after school or something and have a little study group with my friends and just, get together and have a good time.